Next, we are going to see about iteration. So once again, I welcome you everyone for advanced programming practice for everybody using Python. Today, our session is about iteration. It's about looping. So Python has two primitive looping commands, a while loop and for loop. So you will see the program for example program for while loop. So this is the example program for while loop. While with this while loop, we can execute a set of statement as long as the condition is true. See here, this is an example, print I as long as I is less than 6. See, when I'm declaring that I equal to 1, it will execute the condition until the get false. So if the condition is true, it will get inside the while condition, that body of the while, and it will print whatever we said inside the while. See, I equal to 1. So it will start from 1. Okay, and the condition is 6, less than 6. So till 5 it will print. So first the condition is true. Yes, it is less than 6. So less than 5. Okay. So it will print 1. Then it will increment the I value. So I plus 1. It is 2. Yes, 2 is less than 6. It will print 2. Then it will get incremented I plus 1. The I value is 2 now, and it will increment to 1. It is 3. So now 3 less than 6 condition is true. It will print 3. And then again it will increment. Now I value is 3. So 3 plus 1, it is 4. Then it will print 1 by 1 till it 5, it will print. So here if you mention I less than or equal to 6, now it will print up to 6. So we have mentioned only it is less than 6, so it will print only up to 5. Note this is a increment operation, else the while will be continued forever until the condition is true. So this is the break statement we have to use when you are using break inside the while. It will break this break. So when your condition is like if I equal to 3, the condition will get break and will not get incremented. It will stop. Okay. And this is continue. It will miss only the 3 remaining part. It will print. See here, 1 2 4 5 6. It will the continue will miss the continue part of this 3, the condition which we mentioned. That alone it will miss. Then remaining part it will print. The break will break the whole statement after that with whatever it is printing. The else part in the statement is like, see, in a looping, either in a for loop or in a while loop, we can use a else part. Whether the condition is false, when it get false, we can give the another message on the else part. So this is the use of the else part. And this is the for. So here you see the example program for the for loop. When I'm using a variable as a fruits equal to apple, banana, cherry, and these are the 3 elements which I'm used inside the list. And I'm using a for x. This is the x is the elements which is inside the fruit variable. So it will mention this x as this index 0, and this is index 1 and index 2, and it will print the statement. And this is the looping through a string, and this is a break statement in a loop. So when I'm saying that x as a banana, it will not print banana. So it will stop from that. Okay. And continue, it will not print the banana. It will continue after that banana. It will print from beginning, and whichever we are saying that's a condition as not to print, that we have to mention it here, and it will continue. Then it will not, after that it will not print. Okay. So range functions also we have used. So this is the range from 1 to 6. Like this is the range. So automatically it will set from 1 0 or 0 to 6. See here, the value is not from 0 to 6, but the value is 0 to 5, because we know that is not lesser than or equal to. It will take the index value from 0. So 0 1 2 3 4 5. So totally 6 values it will print. So that is the range of 6. Okay. So for x in range, in previous program directly we use the variables names. So the fruits will contain the variables elements of list like apple, banana, and cherry, and that we have mentioned it here as an x. But here, see here, range. Here we have additionally added as a range. This is another function. Okay. So range is a function which is used inside the for loop, and this will say you the start and stop position, and increment position also we can add. After this we have to put one comma, and we can add the 2 or 3 to jumping position. By default it is 1. Okay. See here, it is starting of 2 and it is ending. So it start from 2 and it will increment the loop to 5. And this, see here, this is the third third argument which we can be used inside this range. So 2 is the starting and 30 is the ending and 3 is the position like for jumping after 3, like 2 after 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 3 11. So by default it will take 1. When you set some value, it will work for that value also. And these are the basic elements of for loop. Thank you for the today's class. This is iteration.